Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the quality of our camera on Snapchat. And this method can be used for both Android as well as iOS. So open up your Snapchat, and after that click on the top left corner where you see your emoji, and here click on settings on top right corner, and after that just scroll down to the very last and just a little up, and you will see this option of clear cache. Just click on it and clear it up, and it will enhance your quality in some way. And the other option is you can go to Play Store or App Store, search for Snapchat, and here you will see the option of update. Just click on update and your Snapchat will be updated if there are new updates. This is one of the way to upgrade the quality of your camera quality. And the last and the best way to enhance your quality of Snapchat is by uninstalling your Snapchat from your phone, and after that go to Google and here search for Snapchat APK. Click on the second link from an1.com, and here you will see the option of Snapchat. Download it and it will provide you a better quality of camera on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.